Sir, very happy evening to all my dear lovable students. Before I start with the video, let me tell you, I'm not, sir, for the past 1 or 2 days, having some throat infection. Because of the continuous classes, having 1 or 2 ice creams, because of all those reasons, sir, I'm suffering from small throat infection. But still, I just want to talk to you. That's why I came. So I maybe talk little slow. Please bear with me. Sir, today, many of our CA friends, especially CA Inter students, have gone through the results. And this is what the May 26 results percentage is showing. For the group number 1, it is nearly 10.25%, nearly 10%. For the group 2, 16%. As compared to group 1, G2 is better. But overall, both group is 8% if you are analyzing. For the just last attempt, that is January, instead of 13, it has been dropped to 10. Instead of 15, it has been, sir, increased to 16. And overall, my dear lovable students, sir, 9 has become 8. So this time result is little less. So many of the students expected, sir, they expected that they will clear surely this time. But some of you were not able to do it. Personally, before I start with what I wish to say, I am personally very happy that this time lot of 60 plus, lot of 70 plus, lot of 80 plus even for the advanced accounting and costing and here and there for the law and also for the audit. My dear face-to-face class students, if anyone is listening to this, please inform your exemption, your successful results in the comments. Let everyone knows, or even I also want to know in full, because today since we are on leave, I don't have the full data with me, but I will surely update that too. I think, sir, 1 or 2 are having nearly 87 in costing at ANM classes. Super fantastic to the core. Sir, is there any crash courses available? Sir, this time we are planning for audit 15 days face-to-face crash course with maximum 50 seats availability. Regarding that, Jayashree ma'am will update very soon the class details for you. Sir, if I have not able to clear what I should do, is there any class available with you? Then the students who wish to go for the classes, my dear lovable students, you have to go for the CA Inter Rice batch. Don't go and buy any other batch. Sir, CA Inter, if you see, there will be a, sir, concept called as rice batch. You go and, sir, get the rice batch with 60 days and what man, 30 days validity. Rice batch is the batch you are supposed to be, sir, purchased at the virtuals. Come on, sir. Sir, many students are analyzing their results, especially today. When you are analyzing your results, my dear lovable students, you may be in this any of these 3 buckets. Either you may be in bucket number 1 or bucket number 2 or bucket number 3. Sir, my suggestion, these are my analysis. If you got less than 100, sir, there are so many students texting to me. Sir, last time also my mark is very low and even this time also my mark is very low. Sir, if you just think, if your mark at this examination is less than 100, you are in bucket number 1. You know what the bucket number 1 is showing? Bucket number 1 shows that we need more conceptual clarity, or we need more time, more practice, or the course or the ICAI is saying that please redo the entire course. That means actually you are supposed to redo the coaching again. The regular coaching again, because out of 150 marks, if our mark is less than 100, we need time. There are so many students are there. Last attempt they got less than 100 and even this time they got less than 100. Because, sir, from here onwards, we are having 60 days of time. Even without proper structured learning, if you are going with the lottery method, sir, you are just arranging here and there things just to managing the 60 days, but you are not managing to pass in the examination. That's what very important. Satisfying ourselves, doing something from our side, saying that I have given my best, and we are approaching the examination within next 50 days. Sir, if your score is less than 100, actually it is not successful or unsuccessful. ICAI wish to communicate something very strongly to us, saying that you really need a proper structured learning. I'm not saying that you just come and join with ANM classes. My dear lovable students, rethink of it. If September is the coming examination, if you are in June, July, August, September, sir, these people less than 100, if you don't write in September also, no problem for ICAI, man. You take your time, you improve yourself, you study very well, at least complete one time proper lectures with proper classes and go to the examination. Your score will be better or you will surely pass. Coming to the second bucket, man, if you are in 100 to 135, majority of the students will be in 100 to 135. For this category of people, regular classes are not required. No need that you have to start from the scratch. No need that you have to start from the scratch. For such people, sir, you need workout batches, my dear lovable students. In the sense means, you just find out the SWOT analysis. For example, if your weakness is in tax in group number 1 or audit in group number 2, you just take that particular subject or that particular group, rather, like that, sir, a particular subject or group, and work on it. And work on it. If you are in 135 to 150, that is bucket number 3, my dear lovable students. For you, you need more writing practice with the test series. I'm not saying that this people does not, sir, need test series. But with the test series alone, this category cannot survive. This category cannot survive. You will be falling in the loop again and again and again. For this category, sir, with marathons, you can manage it. With a particular workout batch, for example, if you are very weak in law, get the law workout, see it, and other subjects see the marathon and revise it and write some test series, you will be able to come out of it. Technically speaking, sir, these people are entitled to write for the coming examination. If these people are properly rectifying that particular subject in which you have failed, you are also, sir, entitled to write in September examination. Sir, it may be really hard or hurting to hear that these people is not eligible to write in the coming September examination. Sir, if you are having time, if you are ready to study 10 to 12 hours and properly go through all the lectures, otherwise, sir, our life will be in repeating mode or the loop mode, my dear lovable students. That's what the results is talking about. We will just see it as successful and unsuccessful. If it is successful, we will never analyze our marks at all because pass aitanda macha. If it is unsuccessful, everyone will be determined as one category or one club called as fail aitanda macha. Are in what marks you have failed? Have you got less than 100? 100 to 135, 135 to 150, these are the corrective measures. I know that today will be a emotionally very, very, very bad day for many of us. I also just want to say that take care of yourself. Sir, take your own time. Sir, take 1 or 2 days time. First you settle yourself, then you can start preparing and all. This video is not to start your preparation now itself. This is not a motivation video. Sir, I know that today and tomorrow only we will analyze. After 2 or 3 days, we will make it normal that yes, I have failed. Yes, I have failed. But without analyzing this, if you are going to work for next 60 days, sir, again we will be falling in the same loop. Sir, just revisit the last 60 days of your examination. Last 60 days of your examination. Sir, we are having 100% portions in any subject, accounts, law, DT, tax, costing, etc., etc., 100%. Have you completed 100%? Like that I will never ask. In every subject, we are having the leverage to skip nearly 20% of the portions. You have to complete at least 80% of the portions. In this 80%, that 100% should be completed. In this 80%, nearly 100% should be completed. It's like exactly, for example, if you are studying, sir, 75% or 3/4 of the entire syllabus, that 75% should be 100% completed. The remaining 20% you can have the leverage. Sir, question number 1, have you studied like that? Number 2, Have we done the revision before examination? What is our study pattern? What was our study pattern? For example, if September is the exam you are going to write, sir, this is June, this is July, this is August, and September is our examination. Till September, have you studied? That means many does not have the habit of revision at all. But when you are writing for the 10th standard or plus 2, how much times we have revised? At least quarterly, half yearly, main exam, that much time we have revised. And then only we went to the exam. Sir, this is more structured and more professional. If this is more structured and more professional, my dear lovable students, we need more revision. At least, I'm not saying like rank holders, 5 revision should be there or 4 revision should be there. At least 2 times. This is minimum and 3 times maximum. Have you done at least 1 revision in your last time? Have you planned it? That is a question you have to answer. Sir, you know our mother body ICAI is conducting mock examination. Mock examination. 1 exam they are conducting at 100 rupees. 1 exam they are conducting at 100 rupees. Have you ever write a mock as per ICAI pattern? 100 mark mock. Have you ever written? If you have not done, that is a mistake you have done in your last attempt preparation. Just recheck. Sir, now today, more than face-to-face classes, sir, virtual classes are having more popular and many students are going for virtual classes, buying virtual classes. After buying virtual classes, every day, any student who bought any academy virtual classes, they are supposed to see minimum 4 to 5 hours of lectures. Minimum 4 to 5 hours of lectures. Have we kept that consistency in seeing the lectures? Number 2, seeing lectures is only one part of our preparation. And have we revised daily 3 hours? That means if you are incapable of studying 8 hours per day, don't go for the virtual classes. This is how you should decide whether I should join face-to-face class or virtual class. That means, sir, if you are having any virtual classes, that means the students who are going to write in September, my dear lovable students, this is how we used to schedule our ANM Virtuals. Sir, you should study 3 slots a day. We prefer early morning preparation. From morning 7 o'clock, sir, morning 7 o'clock, you should be in your study table. Till 9:30, that means 1.5 hours of the video should be completed before your breakfast. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, sir, breakfast. Then, my dear lovable students, 10 to 11:30, next 1.5 hours after breakfast, you should be complete your second slot. And take half-hour break, sir, 12 to 1:30, my dear lovable students, you should be able to complete another 1.5 hours. That means 4.5 hours standard time. Anyway, in recording, we will not be able to see at one speed. We'll be seeing at 1.3 or 1.2. Sir, if you are seeing at 1.3, 4.5 into 1.3 means, sir, nearly 5.85 hours of classes, nearly 6 hours of classes can be completed. In case if you are not well, in case if you are going out, in case if there is any medical emergency or something, you can skip this slot and you can convert that into evening. This is how you should be able to study for the next 60 days. And afternoon, sir, you can take some rest at afternoon. There is no problem at all. And evening, whatever lectures you have saw, sir, 3 hours of self-revision is needed. So 5 plus 3, it's an 8 hour schedule per day, consists of 6 days in a week with 1 day full rest. This will give you pakka success to you. After purchasing the classes, have we able to do this? And have we gone to the examination? Right, sir. Sir, what is the source we are taking for our preparation is the last thing we have to think. Sir, there are a lot of students in the market today are seeing marathon and going and writing the CA examination. Sir, there is no problem with marathon. It's a useful tool for your revision. You just hear any faculty who are uploading the marathon in the YouTube. Are they saying that is a replacement for their regular lectures? No. Look at the duration of their regular lectures. For example, my dear lovable students, my advanced accounting will be 150 to 180 hours. Regular lectures, I'm saying. Regular lectures. I will be uploading 15 to 20 hours of marathon. Sir, is this 15 to 20 hours? Will I be able to express the entire advanced accounting? No. If you are using this as a tool for your preparation, my dear lovable students, that itself is a wrong source in which we are preparing. then how we can expect results? How we can expect results? I'm not saying that my intention of this video is to not blame you. But I know one thing, that today and tomorrow you will think why you have failed. So there are certain valid points came to my mind. I just want to share it with you, my dear lovable students. You just go through point number 1. Even though I am not able to study 100% of the page portions, out of at least 80% have I studied 100%. Point number 1. Point number 2, have you done any revision for your examinations? Point number 3, have you write any at least 1 mock in the last attempt? Point number 4, if I am a virtual student, will I be able to see at least 5 hours of lectures per day plus 3 hours of self-revision, whether I am able to do? Sir, whether I have prepared from the original lectures or have I just see marathon and go? If your answer, for example, if you are after your analysis, if you are getting marathon is the answer, there itself answer is there why we have failed. Sir, I have not properly able to see the videos. That's it, gone. Sir, I have not written the mock test. That is gone. Sir, I have not done revision. That is gone. Sir, not even 50 to 60% of the portions I was able to complete before my examination. That's it, gone. So correct it, rectify it this time when you are preparing for the next 60 days. And this should be in your, sir, preparation strategy for the next 60 days, my dear lovable students. I know that when I come and say this now here, I have never, sir, promoted any of the classes. Buy these classes. Yes, sir, the class to be bought if you are buying now is Rice Batch. That's it. Sir, in CA Inter, Rice Batch, sir, is the batch you are supposed to be bought now. And that's it. That is the information. That is the information I just want to share it with you. Because I know that this is not the right time to say which class, sir, class details and all. But now surely you will be thinking all these things, my dear lovable students. Please analyze your things along with these factors, these 5 factors. And I really congratulate those who have cleared in the latest examination, because today's, sir, pass percentage is very less as compared to both the group, that too compared to the last time. And you have to really plan very well. If you are deciding to write in the coming September examination, you should be able to allot at least 10 hours per day for your study time. That means 60 days are there, into 10 comes to 600 hours. You can happily prepare for 600 hours, my dear lovable students. Today, you can take a mental break, analyze yourself, and will be bouncing back like anything. I will also be uploading the relevant strategy videos and certain marathons also we are planning this time onwards surely. So I'm wishing you all the very best for the coming examination, and I just want to hear from all the face-to-face students who have cleared in the comment section. And also number 2, my dear lovable students, any virtual students or any of the students who saw our marathons and cleared examination, just inform us by way of comments, because that is a happiness I will be getting. Nothing worry man, nothing to worry man, we will take care of it. Sir, one setback in life does not define who we are. The main problem is not today's setback. The main problem is without analyzing if you are going to the war next time. Sir, the enemy clearly knows what is our weakness. There itself we have lost the war. So a good soldier will prepare himself, sir, after one defeat, and that's what we are supposed to do. And today, if my throat or voice is not up to the mark, I'm really sorry for it, because I'm not supposed to talk for 1 or 2 days as, sir, said by the doctor. But I know that this is very important analysis from my side, because a lot of students were doing the same mistake again and again and again. Even in the last attempt, certain students have texted me that I got less than 100. And I have suggested them that please don't go and write examination without proper preparation. It's not very next attempt you can't write and all. But they have, sir, again they are saying that, sir, I have saw the marathon. So that has triggered me, or that has really, sir, shaken me this time. In the sense means why the students are doing like this. Okay, fine. Sir, let me say it's my responsibility hearing and not hearing it. It's their choice. I wish you, sir, all the very best. Take care of yourself, especially your mental health this time. I know that it's very hard to, sir, everyone in the society, in the family, even you will be having self-doubt today and tomorrow. It's that for that. It's for that. Yes, it has to be. We have to manage this. That's what CA course is all about. That's what chartered accountancy course is all about. You go and have food, take care of yourself, go out, go for a walk, critically analyze. Is it paining for you for failing? Then plan it properly. That's how a successful person will be. They will plan and they will stick on to that particular plan. Whatever happened, they will never come back. They will only go move forward, my dear lovable students. Thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.